I'm loving my new iPad Pro, guys, but there is one feature that Apple promised that made me feel a little bit cheated. One of the first things that I tried to do when I got my new iPad Pro was to try and connect it to my PS5 controller. Yes, I know you could do this already on the previous iPads, but Apple said,
"This raw performance, along with the ProMotion display, 4 speakers, and now support for the latest PlayStation or Xbox game controllers with haptics."
Yeah, with haptics. So I was really excited to try that. Except it doesn't bloody work. Apple said we now have haptics available, which is supposed to make the gaming experience on your Apple iPad Pro a lot better. Did I just use gaming and Apple in the same sentence? Anyway, let's connect the controller first. To connect your PS5 DualSense controller, put the controller into pairing mode by holding share and the PS button. When the blue lights start to blink, all you have to do is go into the Bluetooth settings on the iPad Pro and select PS5 DualSense controller. And presto! Now you can play using the PS5 controller. I think we can all agree that is a much better way of playing games. Alright, let's try some games now. This is Call of Duty, of course, nowhere near as cool as the console game, but pretty cool that we can use the controller. But sadly, no haptics feedback and that amazing feel that you get on the PS5 version, where each gun has a different feel to the trigger and the feedback as well, which makes it much more immersive as a gaming experience. This is NBA 2021 Arcade Edition. When you have the controller plugged in now, you can see the tap X to continue, which is great. It shows that the game itself has been optimized for the controller. I say optimized, it's a bit clunky still. Yes, you can use it, but guys, there's no haptics on this. And the in-play feedback is very suboptimal as well. You can play and it's better than not having a controller, but even the visual feedback isn't great. So it's hard not having that feedback when you're moving the options or the players around. It's a shame because console gamers for Xbox and PS5 like myself might be expecting this. As of now, the only thing that can support haptics is the PS5 itself and of course the Xbox. And the same goes for Asphalt 9. It is great to use the controller in the game, but would be really cool to be able to use the haptics. So maybe this feature is for the online gaming only rather than iPad games, but from what I've been reading, that doesn't work either. Anyway, I will be dropping a new video tomorrow covering my favorite M1 iPad Pro new features, covering the display, the speakers which are amazing, the M1 chip itself and what I've been able to do so far to push this device to its limits. So if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on that. Where's my bell? Don't forget the bell. It's right there next to the subscribe button. I will be watching this one very closely, guys, and as soon as I hear more, I will make sure to update you guys here on my channel. But follow me on Twitter as well. I share loads of useful information there too. Okay, some of my posts are a bit silly, but hey, let's connect over there too. Have a great day, and I'll see you and your smiling faces on the next one. Bye.